Maya, do
I'll
this.
give you candy.
It's like, that's my brother. Oh, whoops.
I'll give you
I
candy
have
when
that
we get
sticker.
home.
I forget
Maya,
where I
I'll
put
give
it
you
though.
candy if you do.
Our teacher gave it to us.
Really?
No, you have to let Maddie show you, okay? And I'll give you candy when we get home.
I'll get you an ice cream or something.
Yeah, we'll get you ice cream.
No, we'll get you candy at Red Basket.
Okay.
Okay, put these fingers down.
So you're staring at something.
I want bubble gum. Okay, we'll get you bubble gum. Then you can just send it to us.
It's not a very good one.
It's on record.
What would you do if I put milkshake in my mouth and then spit it all over your phone?
I would kill you. Maya.
See, it doesn't even look like it.
I can't believe you.
She can't choke if she does that.
Alyssa, do you remember when you took a picture of me fingering kids on the bus and then you kept it on your phone in case I ever made you mad so you could show mom?
Yeah. And then I did show her. And Mom's like, "What's
You
this?"
showed her 2 times and she said the same thing
I
both
know.
times.
She got mad each time. It was so
And I was like,
funny.
Mom, she already showed you that. And she's like, oh, she didn't do anything. She spit a fry out.
Dude,
That's so
McDonald's
gross.
has shitty service.
Like,